by 42, Heather Connor.
Finish that out, that's okay. Kate, she would have had a 21.406. Would have been 21.406. Hold up in the back. We are ready for 42, Heather Coleman on Molly. Followed by 43, Tiffany Acamazo. Heather. We're ready for 43, Tiffany Acamazo on Legend. And that will take us to the drive. Tiffany, that was still a beautiful run. You had going, just barely grabbed that second. She would have had a 15.249. Would have been a 15.249. We are ready for 46, Leticia Sylvia on in. Followed by 47, Jenna Garwood. Yes, ma'am, Leticia, get them all out of there. She's coming out with a fast 15.589. 15.589. Hold up in the back while we check the tap barrel. We're ready for the next in the drag. 47, Jenna Garwood on marble. Followed by 50. Zoe, you thinking about it? Coming out with 18.883. 48.49 R scratch. That will take us to 50. Zoe Couple. Followed by 52, Amber Hill. That was a beautiful run there, White. He is out with a 15.639. 15.639. Hold on, we are ready for 52, Amber Hill. Followed by 53, Alyssa Wade. Okay, Amber, that was still a beautiful run you had. Just barely tapped that second. Would have been a 15. We are ready for 53, Alyssa Wade. On Martinis at midnight. That will take. Alyssa laying down a beautiful run. She's out with a 15.1. Followed by 57, Maya Rinker. We are ready for 57 by a ringer on board. Tractor, you're out of time. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Way to get around that. She is coming out with a back 15,087. 15087. Pull up while we check it. 52. Bailey Fennell on drifting payload. Tractor, you're after Bailey. Yes, and Bailey, get her on out of there. She is coming out with a clean 16,113. 1611. Ready for 71. Sammy Willoughby on flirt, followed by 72. Lauren Lowe. Sammy, the arena is ready for you. Yes, and Sammy does a beautiful Palomino there. She is out with a 16,019. 16019. We're ready for the next in the drag. 72 Laura Lowe on Mystery Leader, followed by 73 Grace Pack. That is okay, Laura. The beautiful gray horse there. I love the gray. Gonna take a little tough love on that. I would have been a 25,815. Would have been a 25,815. We're ready for the last of the drag. 73 Grace Pack on Ostrich. And that will put our slot. Okay, Grace, that horse was working for you. Would have been a 15,704. Would have been a 15,704.